How do top math students verify their answers? Imagine solving a tricky math problem and feeling confident about your answer. But how do the best students make sure they are right? They don't just trust their first try. Instead, they use a few smart strategies to double-check their work and avoid mistakes. First, they often redo the problem from scratch on a different sheet of paper. This fresh start helps catch any calculation errors or steps they might have missed the first time. It's like giving their solution a second opinion. Next, they use inverse operations to verify their answers. For example, if they added two numbers to get a sum, they check by subtracting to see if they get back to the original numbers. If they multiplied, they divide to confirm the product. This method confirms that their solution fits the original problem. Another common step is substituting their answer back into the original equation or problem. If the answer makes the equation true or satisfies all the conditions, it's probably correct. For example, if they find a value for x in an algebra problem, they plug it back into the original equation to see if both sides are equal. They also estimate or judge if their answer makes sense in real-world terms. If a word problem asks about the number of apples, and the answer is a very large or tiny number, they think about whether that makes sense. This quick check helps catch obvious mistakes. For word problems, top students reread the question carefully. They make sure their answer actually responds to what was asked. Sometimes, students solve the wrong part or include irrelevant details. Rereading helps avoid those errors. Many students also use technology tools like calculators, graphing software, or online math platforms. These tools can verify complex calculations or show graphs that confirm their solutions. If their manual work doesn't match the software's output, they know to review their steps. Finally, top students think about their problem-solving process. They ask themselves if their approach was logical and if they addressed every part of the question. This reflection helps them learn from mistakes and improve their skills for future tests. So, to sum up, the best students verify their answers by redoing problems, using inverse operations, substituting solutions back into the original, estimating if answers are reasonable, rereading questions, and sometimes using technology. They combine these steps with a habit of thinking about their work, which makes them more accurate and confident in their results. These simple but effective techniques are key to doing well on exams and building resilience in learning math.